This is the last ride before I take off to Tennessee and Thanksgiving. And I wanted to get one in before we left because I want to wish everybody, whether you're in the USA and celebrate Thanksgiving or not, it is a holiday of family gatherings and thankfulness for what we have. I am truly grateful to have lived this long, gone through the stuff that I did, be around, and to be on the bike. And whoa, 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 whoa. Watch them when they're aggressive coming up. And being on the bike. Truly thankful. And I hope you will be too. And when Thanksgiving rolls around, whether you celebrate it or not, look out there and think of yours truly, Gary Cooper, riding the Aprilia and thinking of you. Happy Thanksgiving all. Now let's shut up and listen to the bike. See how it sounds with this sound setup. I won't know till I get back. You won't know till we get to that part. Cheers. Happy Thanksgiving.
Shake, shake, rock, shake, shake, rock and roll, shake, shake, rock and roll. Everybody on the dance floor, dance to the rock and roll. Now I know a girl sweet as can be. She likes to rock and roll with me. She shakes to the left, shakes to the right. She tells me that we're alright. She says, hey baby, let the good times roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Light it up and have some fun. We'll dance till the morning sun. I don't do the mashed potato, I don't do the twist. I'm staring at the ground, looking like a clown, not moving my hips. So stack up the band, I'm not gonna stand when I kick the drums in. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Light it up and have some fun. Dance till the morning sun. Shake for me, baby. Shake for me, baby. Shake for me, baby. Shake for me, baby. Shake it around, dance till the morning sun. Up, 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 baby, baby. Up, baby, baby. Shake for me, baby. Let's have some fun, dance till the morning sun. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Shake, shake, rock and roll. Shake, shake.
Back at Blissful Vistas gang, looking for neutral. Not finding it. There it is. Hello, neutral. Hey, I don't know if that's appropriate. How about this? Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. If you celebrate it with friends. Give them a hug. If you don't celebrate it, just remember that I'm thinking of all you out there. It's a day of Thanksgiving. Talk to you later. Ride safe.